Hi everyone, this is Joanna, and today I am going to attempt to demo these two plates that I got from Mundo de Unos. I have the V1 and V2 handy plates. These were, I believe, they're Valentine plates. I'm going to be using my MoU stamper, or the stamper I got from MoU. I find that I like this. I just started using it today. It's kind of slick when I'm not used to it, but these pieces don't come out. And I'm going to be using the following stamping polishes. This number 42 here is Holland Blue. These are, I believe, 0.5 mil. I don't really know what that means, but these are like very super duper thick. These are thicker than the Conad, and they do have a chemical smell, but it doesn't bother me that much. The next color I'm using 12. This is Crema. And this number 16 here is Lilac. Of course, number 1 is White. This number 24 is Aqua. And this number 10 is Rosa Pink. And let me see here again. These all are very, very thick. Now, what I thought when they said that this was the mini size, I thought they would be smaller, but these are the same size, or very close to equivalently the same size as a regular bottle of nail polish. I thought they would be smaller. I thought they would be, you know, like that little Orly bottle. Like this. I just did because they said mini, and they're not. So that was really, really nice right there. I'm going to see if I have a Conad polish near here, because I don't know what our Conad ones are. Let's see. In my apartment, excuse the jacket, it is either super hot in here or super cold. It's the same way in the summer. The air is either super cold or there's no air at all. So see, these are about the same size. And it said the 14 mil, if I'm not mistaken. I think it said 14 mil. I don't know how big that would be, but it would probably be a size that you could refill, you know, the bottle with, I'm guessing. It would probably be, I don't know. But anyway, enough of my rambling. I am so sleepy. We are going to go ahead and get started with this demo. I'm going to try out some of these colors for you. Also, if I didn't say, those who told me that I must have had a bad bottle of liquid leather the first time around, you guys were right. This is just 2 coats. The first coat was not super duper thin. Like the bottle that I had before, the first coat looked kind of like this. It was like, I guess it was either used, tested, or, you know, it was just there for a while, because like I said, when I bought that one then, it was the only one. So we are going to start, let's see here. I am going to start with the V1 handy plate. Excuse me. I'm going to probably try to stamp this flower area and see. Now, I will say, keep in mind, because this polish might be greatly appreciated by a lot of the people that are real excellent at nail stamping. The ones that know how to like put one thin line down and scrape from there, because this stuff is super duper gloopy. Let me see real quick again. It is thicker than the Conad polish. And it does have a smell, because my Conad one doesn't. But see that right there? I don't want to touch those two, and I hope I can point this right. See? This one is way thicker than these are. So again, I'm going to get on with it here. So I have the V1. And I'm going to try to stamp this flower area. But what I was trying to say before I interrupted myself was, for those of you that are really, really good at applying the thin line and scraping, this may be a polish that you like, because you don't need much of it at all. So I'll do a couple of whites and move on, because I'm using this stamper. I can't really see what I'm doing. And I don't know if I let this polish underneath here dry good or not. We're going to find out. Now there's that white flower. I'm going to do another one in white though, so you can see, just in case I smush that up. Let's see. So what I'm going to try to go for here are the little clothes on the little line. We're going to see how I do with that one. Put it on another finger and hope you can see. Okay, I don't know if you can tell. That is the pants on the little clothesline. Nah, I might have to wait and let this polish dry a little bit. Here's the pink with the words. This stamp's kind of thickly. So I do see here where I need to learn how to possibly apply a thinner amount. So this time here, I'm going to go for this heart, this half of this heart. Okay. Looks like a tire tread on my finger there. Yeah. But these do stamp good over black. Now I'm going to try another color. I would like to try the aqua. And for that, I'm going to try a portion along this bottom corner here. And this polish is really thick. And they are all said to stamp really nicely over black. And that was that little heart right there. Okay, now I want to try this corner down here, and I'm going to try it with this crema, which is a canary yellow. If you're familiar with the Conad pastel yellow, it's along the lines of that. And I'm going to try to get this area up in here. And it's like no matter how much of this I try to get off of here, I've got a good amount of it. Now I don't know yet. I'm going to be trying to work with this polish and sponging and see how that goes. See if I can sponge with it like I can the Conad. That's the yellow. Very, very stark. But I have to say, I really, really do like the pink. Let's see. We have not tried the lavender and the Holland blue yet. So I am going to move to this next plate. And I'm going to try to get this little couple down here. And see if I can get one of them. And I got a corner of each one, but since I don't have enough room, see that. Try to get this little house. This plate reminds me, I can't think of the name of it, but now I know what it reminded me of when I saw it. Was that little movie with the man and the balloons, and his house went up in the air. He was a grumpy old man, and I think the little boy made him happy again. I have that movie around here somewhere. I need to go look at it and look it up. Okay, we're going to try the lavender next. So I'm going to attempt to pick an intricate part here. Let's see. Get this area with the bird cages and the part that says love. Now I don't have a lot of room to put it on, but see that right there? I don't have enough room to put this anywhere, but we'll take some of it. Okay, we got the cage. Got one more. I'm going to try to get these words here, happy day. Put that right there. Not bad. Okay, now I'm going to take this polish off, and I'm going to come back with another color, I guess white, and then we'll stamp the colors over it.